Welcome to Hidden Costs. In December 2012, Joshua Woods, a young man from Houston, bought a special pair of shoes. It was the Nike Air Jordan 11 Bread Edition, with a retail price of exactly $180 at the local store. Tragically, he never made it back home. Joshua was followed, ambushed, and shot dead in broad daylight by ruthless attackers. These killers did not want his wallet or his car. They specifically wanted the cardboard shoebox hidden carefully inside his trunk. This is not merely another tragic story about urban crime. It is a terrifying revelation of a dangerous glitch inside your brain. A trillion-dollar industrial complex has successfully figured out how to hijack your deepest survival instincts without you even noticing. They transform a piece of mass-produced rubber or a simple stainless steel cup into a desperate matter of life and death. Corporations did not just hack the global financial market, they systematically hacked your mind, your desires, and your fundamental sense of self. We currently live in an unprecedented age of infinite abundance, where you can effortlessly order 500 identical white cotton shirts. Logic dictates that prices should naturally drop in this environment of plenty, yet our hunger is never truly satisfied. For 99% of human history, brutal scarcity was a physical reality, where finding food meant surviving another cold, dark night. Evolution effectively rewarded the aggressive hoarder and hardwired an unbreakable rule into our neural synapses over thousands of years. That ancient rule states that if something is incredibly hard to get, it must inherently be worth significantly more to your survival. Fast forward to the 1990s, when brands like Supreme realized they never actually needed real scarcity to drive massive demand. They simply needed to manufacture the powerful illusion of scarcity by intentionally producing fewer items than there were eager customers. They successfully activated a hidden trigger deep within our collective psyche, changing the nature of the transaction entirely. Suddenly, you were no longer buying a shirt, you were winning a brutal psychological war against thousands of other desperate consumers. How does this manipulation work in practice? There are 4 foundational pillars holding up this massive limited edition corporate empire. The first pillar is the scarcity heuristic, famously demonstrated in a 1975 study involving clear glass jars and cookies. When researchers placed 10 cookies in one jar and only 2 in another, participants consistently rated the 2 cookies as significantly tastier. Your brain is not evaluating the product itself. It is obsessively looking at the empty gap where the product used to be. This is why luxury watchmakers like Rolex or Patek Philippe keep exhibition-only models in windows while keeping the safes empty. The second pillar is loss aversion, a theory by Daniel Kahneman proving the pain of losing is twice as powerful as the joy of gaining. When an online store displays only 2 items left, you do not see a shopping opportunity, you perceive a dangerous threat of loss. The Add to Cart button quickly becomes a desperate mechanism for psychological defense against the fear of missing out.
This explains the waiting list phenomenon, where being told no creates a vacuum of desire that logic cannot fill. The third pillar is psychological reactance. Human beings absolutely hate being told no by any authority figure or brand. When a brand like Hermes insists you spend thousands on scarves before you can buy a Birkin bag, they are triggering this exact reflex. The massive financial and social barrier they carefully construct actually becomes the true product you subconsciously desire. We do not really want the leather bag itself. We desperately want the elevated social status of being the chosen person. The fourth pillar is the endless dopamine hunt, where the chemical of wanting peaks during the chase, never the catch. Hitting the refresh button during a highly anticipated sneaker drop is neurologically identical to pulling the lever on a slot machine. The ticking countdown timer and frantic keyboard typing create an emotional roller coaster that is the actual high you are chasing. By the time the package arrives at your door, the dopamine has vanished, leaving you looking for the next exciting product drop. Here is the brutal hidden cost these massive global corporations absolutely do not want you to calculate or think about today. This artificial scarcity is not a random accident of the supply chain. It is a highly calculated, devastating strike against your autonomy. It is a direct attack designed to drain your bank account while fueling a secondary resale market projected to hit $6 billion. Manufacturing brands do not fight these resellers. They need them to maintain the halo effect of high perceived value. A $2,000 resale price makes the $180 retail price look like an absolute steal to the average consumer. This creates a state of perceived value that has absolutely nothing to do with the actual cost of labor or raw materials. The real hidden cost is the valuable mental real estate they have stolen, raising a generation that views identity as a digital inventory. Generation Z and Alpha are being trained to believe that if they lack the latest drop, they simply do not exist to the algorithm. You are being sold a fleeting feeling of social belonging that completely expires every Tuesday morning at 10 o'clock sharp. Marketing executives sit in comfortable boardrooms designing new ways to exploit your insecurity as fuel for the hype economy. This insecurity is the exact reason the system survives. Without your constant fear of missing out, the entire structure collapses. Every notification on your phone is a tiny digital hook pulling you back into an experiment designed to maximize corporate profits. Algorithms track your every click, knowing exactly when your willpower is at its absolute weakest point during the day. You are battling supercomputers programmed by the brightest minds to keep you addicted to the endless online buying cycle. Every time you yield to a limited drop, you are training the system to become even more effective at exploiting your vulnerabilities. Consider the environmental impact. Millions of perfectly good products are discarded to make room for tomorrow's manufactured must-haves. We are consuming the planet's precious resources to satisfy a psychological itch that, by design, can never be fully satisfied.
The true cost includes the immense carbon footprint of rapid global shipping and massive industrial manufacturing waste. Factories run endlessly, churning out artificial rarity while destroying the very real, actually scarce natural resources of our planet. We are trading the irreplaceable health of our ecosystem for a fleeting moment of digital clout on a social media platform. This profound disconnect between true value and perceived value is the defining characteristic of our deeply flawed modern culture. We prioritize the shiny illusion of exclusivity over genuine utility, durability, and our own long-term financial freedom. The architects of this system study behavioral patterns with the cold precision of scientists to maximize your uncontrollable impulse. They create a digital architecture of want, a labyrinth where every path inevitably leads you back to a checkout screen. Your decisions are not independent, they are preordained by complex code designed to extract your cash when you are most vulnerable. When you are tired, stressed, or lonely, the targeted advertisement strikes, offering a shiny solution to emotional emptiness. You buy the item, hoping to fill the void, but it only provides a distraction while the brands prepare the next exclusive drop. We are trading our precious time and mental peace for a closet full of meaningless things, participating in our own psychological enslavement. The only way to win this rigged game is to refuse to play and recognize that your intense desire is a manufactured reaction. Once you see the strings controlling your behavior, you can begin to cut them and reclaim your own mental space. Breaking this loop starts with a simple realization. The overwhelming sense of urgency they push on you is a complete lie. If a product genuinely requires you to act right now or risk losing out forever, it is not a product, it is a trap. Implement the 72-hour rule. Whenever you feel the frantic urge to buy, force yourself to wait for 3 full days. Let the blinding dopamine rush evaporate. 90% of the time, the shiny object will lose its magnetic hold on you. Ruthlessly audit your social media feed and unfollow the brands and influencers that intentionally manufacture toxic anxiety. Remember that in this system, everything has a price, but your sanity and self-worth should never be for sale. The rarest thing in our noisy, hyper-connected world is not a pair of shoes or a luxury watch sitting in a dark safe. The truly rarest, most valuable asset you can possess today is a strong, independent human mind that cannot be hacked. A mind that sees through the multi-billion-dollar illusions designed to keep you trapped in endless cycles of wanting. When you step outside the scarcity trap, you realize how much power you have surrendered and you finally start to take it back. Stop defining your worth by the objects you hoard and start valuing genuine experiences and true inner peace. The power has always been in your hands. You just needed to wake up and see the invisible digital cage surrounding you. Never pay the devastating hidden cost they demand from your soul, your wallet, and your mental freedom. Thank you for watching Hidden Costs. Stay vigilant, protect your mind, and we will see you in the next episode.